All right, let me paint a picture for you. It's Monday morning and your inbox is blowing up. We've been there. So yeah, a lot of stress going on. One of your customers, let's call her Sarah, just sent a message. She's frustrated, stuck, and needs help upgrading her plan. But here's the real question. Is your AI assistant ready to help her, or is Sarah about to go on a chatbot roller coaster ride? Today, we're diving into how understanding customer intent can make all the difference, and how your AI assistant can go from good to game-changing. Sarah has been a loyal customer, but today she's hit a snag, and she's maxed out her plan and needs to upgrade now. What she doesn't need is a generic FAQ about account management or a 10-page guide on pricing options.
There's too much info!
She wants a solution that gets it, and an assistant that recognizes her intent, skips the fluff, and takes her straight to the answer.
Tech came up with a more efficient neutrino comm system.
That's exactly what we're covering today. How your AI assistant uses an assistant mode and intent mode to deliver exactly what your customers need in real time. Here's the thing, Sarah's time is valuable. She doesn't want to click through endless menu or repeat herself 5 times. But if your AI assistant can recognize her intent like, I need to upgrade my plan because I hit my limits, it can jump straight into action. For example, asking what's the kind of limits she wants to get, or highlighting some benefits, and even offering a one-click solution, or you can actually handle the upgrade limits on autopilot with AI. No fluff, just solutions. And here is a critical point. Your AI assistant will always prioritize intent first. If Sarah's request matches a specific intent like grading her plan, it ends the conversation off to the right chat flow, as we saw it in the past lesson with pricing. This isn't just about answering a question, it's about delivering a seamless, guided experience. What if no intent is found? That's where assistant mode comes in, pulling answers directly from your knowledge base. This combination ensures that every question gets answered accurately, quickly, and with as much context as possible. Let's break this down step by step. So when Sarah sends her first message, assistant Aura springs into action. And let's check what she's doing now. So let's go to inbox and check Aura over here. Now, as you can see, she immediately identified this intent over here. And now she went into mission mode. We're going to discover later what a mission mode is, but this is something really different from just providing a knowledge base article or a solution, a conversational AI solution taken from the knowledge base article. You can prompt your AI to do whatever you want just in a matter of seconds. So if you click on this chat flow that she triggered, we're going to see that over here, this intent, of course, was recognized, and now she's into mission mode to understand how to best help Sarah. Now, first, the assistant tries to identify Sarah's intent. Does her question match a predefined intent in one of your chat flows, the ones you got over here? Those are intent chat flows. If yes, such this one that we just created, if yes, intent mode takes over. The AI assistant hands off the conversation to the matching chat flow, and from there, the chat flow behaves exactly the way you've designed it. Like, for example, this one that used an AI mission. So if you go back here, Aura went into mission mode and she's asking questions about the upgrade, okay? Or you could just escalate to the sales team and take the conversation over as we did with the previous intent about pricing. Now, what happens if there is no intent? Then assistant mode keeps staying in assistant mode until it recognizes a new intent in the conversation, or it doesn't have the answer and is going to escalate. So if no match intent is found, the assistant remains on assistant mode. In this mode, it searches your knowledge base or candidate responses for the best available answer. Then if your assistant can't reply, then we'll escalate to the human team as you designed it. Now, this two-step process is powerful because it prioritizes precision without sacrificing flexibility. When intents are defined, your chat flows can deliver highly personalized, guided solutions. When intents aren't defined, assistant mode ensures every question gets an answer no matter what. The result, your customer feel heard, and supported at every step. So we can get rid of the shitty chatbot experiences.
I had a bad experience. Damn.
Here's a simple way to think about it. Use assistant mode for routine, straightforward questions like, how do I reset my password? This might be covered in an Help article, and that's fine. So what you're going to use intent for? Use intent mode when the question is more complex and context is key. Like, how do I upgrade my plan? Something like that. Intent mode ensures the conversation evolves to meet the customer's needs, whether that means triggering an AI mission or escalating to a human agent. So what's the takeaway here? Assistant mode is your go-to for simple, direct answers. But when things get more complex, or when precision matters, intent mode is the real deal. It ensures your AI assistant isn't just answering questions, it's solving problems. For Sarah, this means she doesn't just get an answer, she gets the right answer. Quickly, efficiently, and with zero frustration. No chatbots are shit anymore. Bam! Ready to take your AI assistant from good to genius? Let's keep going. If this video helps you understand how to upgrade your AI game, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around for more tips to make customer support amazing. I'll see you in the next one.